Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. How are you doing today? We don't have any introductory shots today, do we? No, we don't. Why? Because I finished up my diplom project, right? Oh, did I tell you, by the way? Yeah, I officially... Oh, yeah, that's right. I finished it last night and I didn't tell you. I officially finished my diplom project. I wrote my my last words on it. I finished the table that I was writing, and now why we don't have any introductory shots is because we had a hectic stomach morning again. What the hell is that? I like literally every once in a while I wake up and I just like my stomach hates me. Reverse please. And and right now, because I finished my my diplom project, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna be waking up at 5 in the morning every morning just to write on my diplom project. And I slept in a little bit, like with 30-40 minutes with an idea that I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna write an email to my teacher, and that's what happened. And right now it's 7 minutes to work, and the good thing is that I live literally 30 seconds from work. So yeah, no introductory shots. Good morning. Let's do on a travel shot. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see that little thingy? I really don't know how to call it, but for the sake of better word, I would call it a chicken moussaka. And that is basically my, I had some chicken breasts, and I diced them, sliced them, blend them or whatever, and I made moussaka out of them. That thing came out amazing. It came out amazing. I have to actually do it next time with an idea that I'm gonna make that, because I started cooking something. I had chicken breasts and I had no idea how to cook them and what to do with them. So I used that and this and that and this and just combined stuff, and well, that happened. And it is amazing. Next time I will actually do it with an idea for chicken moussaka and see what happens. Now, lunchtime and chicken moussaka. Chicken moussaka. Today I was working in the storage room. We were cleaning up and organizing stuff, and I came upon this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. It's a very small, tiny, teeny knife. It's not bigger than my hand, and it's not even that sharp at all. And I think that that little thingy with that blade is a cheese knife, because I think it could be sharper. I think that's a cheese knife. Oh, look at that. Where did that light came from? What is that doing here? Oh, the sun came out. What do you think? The better? And I was thinking about, yes, that's what I wanted to do. I like weird, small, little, tiny knives. I have a few knives that are back in Bulgaria that are small, weird knives that, like, for instance, a psychotic serial killer could use, or something like that. Like, I like knives like that. A friend of mine collects knives, and he gave me one knife, and I wrote a story around it with a teacher and a big project and stuff. God, I structure my sentences amazing. Okay, I found the perfect torture for that cat, ladies and gentlemen. If you manage to balance the cat on her back, you can play with her back legs without she reaching you, because she's so fast she cannot bend to reach you that fast, and you can escape. But any moment you escape that safe area from behind of her back legs, she is gonna snap at you. It's ridiculous. 7. Oh, you got me. Yeah. What? What is it? Huh? What is it? What is it? 7? 7? What is it? Oh, now we're friends? Oh, God. No. No, 7. No, no, no. You're impossible. Go. Willy, I mean 7, be free. Free Willy. You seen that movie? It was a great movie. It's about a whale. See the metaphor? It's hidden between the words. I'm mentally abusing a cat. Don't worry, 7, 7, 7, 7. Hey, 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 hey. Look at her eyes. It's like on a drug or something. Don't you hit the camera? Why'd you hit the camera? Come on now.